Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can create the dark, moody and spine-chilling horror film aesthetic using just CapCut on PC. So let's just get started. First, you can just open your videos in CapCut and then you can add two filters. Then tap on the movies category and use the open aimer filter. Add it to your clip and adjust the duration, and in here adjust the intensity. So I'm going to just go with 100, and now you can click on the adjustment and add a new or custom adjustment in here. So you can just follow my adjustment, but it is also depends on your clip. And first, I'm going to just go to the adjust options and lower the exposure into -5. So you can just slide it like this, and the contrast -13. And for the highlight, -27. The shadow, -4. And then the temperature at the top, lower it to -8. And the hue or the thin, I'm going to just go with 7 in here, and the saturation, I'm going to lower it into -9. Okay, and you can also add some vignette effect in here. I'm going to just go add 4, and just like that, now you are done. Don't forget to adjust the length of the adjustment. So now this will be the final result for the spooky or the horror color grading. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.